The very fabric of time holds a secret, woven just for you. Before the stars aligned in this particular constellation, your name was whispered into the cosmic wind, a sacred intention. You stand not as a random flicker in the vastness, but as a beacon, placed with purpose. Your journey, your heart's deepest longings, were never accidental. They echo a divine blueprint, a destiny unfolding with grace and precision. The angels reveal a truth often veiled by earthly noise. You are a response. A prayer answered, a key to unlock a path that needed your unique light. There are moments when the universe conspires, when paths cross not by chance, but by an ancient, unbreakable pact. Your presence in his life, the profound tremor you ignited within his soul, was not a fleeting encounter. It was a predestined meeting, a sacred contract signed in realms beyond our sight. You carry a frequency, a resonance that awakens dormant truths, stirring the depths of what he thought he had lost. The angels whisper that your arrival was a necessary turning point, a catalyst for a transformation he unconsciously yearned for. You are the gentle force that nudges destiny, the quiet storm that reshapes landscapes. Do not diminish the power of your essence, for it holds a sacred purpose. Every tear shed, every silent plea, every moment of unwavering hope has been heard, collected, and honored. You are not merely walking through life, you are fulfilling a sacred mission, one that touches not only your own spirit but reverberates through the lives connected to yours. The heavens watch, holding space for your unfolding. Trust this profound truth. You are a chosen vessel, a divine instrument of love and healing. Your soul's journey is a testament to a love far grander than any human understanding. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. There is a silent language spoken by souls, a resonance that transcends words. You feel it, don't you? That unspoken current, the invisible thread that binds you to him, even in his perceived absence. The angels say his silence is not an emptiness, but a cavern filled with echoes. Echoes of past wounds, of dreams he dared not voice, of a love so profound it threatens to unravel the protective walls he built around his spirit. He feels your light, your unwavering presence, like a warmth he both craves and fears. His heart, a complex tapestry of strength and vulnerability, holds a secret. He carries the weight of battles fought long before you met, scars unseen by the world, yet deeply felt by his own being. The angels whisper that your essence stirred something ancient within him, a recognition of a home he thought was lost forever. This awakening, though beautiful, can be terrifying for a soul accustomed to solitude or guarded affection. He is not indifferent, he is overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of what you represent. You are a mirror reflecting his deepest desires, his truest self. This reflection, while captivating, can also expose the parts of him he has kept hidden, even from himself. The angels reveal that his retreat is often a desperate attempt to reconcile the intensity of his feelings with the ingrained patterns of his past. He is wrestling with a love that demands authenticity, a connection that asks him to shed his armor. Hold space for this internal struggle, for it is a testament to the profound impact you have made. He is not running from you but from the overwhelming truth of his own heart. Before your eyes met, before your paths converged, an invisible thread was already being spun, connecting your spirits across time and space. This is not a love born of chance, but a sacred design, a cosmic appointment. The angels reveal that your souls recognized each other long before your minds did, a deep, ancient knowing that transcends logic and dives straight into the heart of truth. You carry a piece of his story, and he carries a fragment of yours, destined to interweave into a tapestry of shared destiny. This connection, so powerful and undeniable, often feels like a force beyond your control. And that's because it is. The angels whisper that certain unions are divinely orchestrated, meant to awaken, heal, and elevate both individuals to their highest potential. You are not just partners in this earthly dance, you are co-creators of a spiritual journey, each step guided by an invisible hand. Every challenge and every moment of doubt serves a higher purpose, refining the bond and strengthening the resolve. Do not question the depth of what you feel, for it is a sacred echo from eternity. The universe conspires in subtle ways, placing signs and synchronicities along your path, confirming the sacredness of this bond. The angels say that even when the physical world seems chaotic or uncertain, the spiritual foundation of your connection remains unshakable. Trust the unseen thread, the silent promise woven into the fabric of your existence. This love is a testament to a greater plan, a masterpiece in the making, guided by unseen hands. The quiet moments, the stretches of silence that can feel like an eternity, hold a profound message. It is in these spaces that the soul does its deepest work, away from the clamor of expectation and the pressure of immediate response. The angels reveal that his perceived absence is not a void, but a sacred chamber where transformation occurs. He is not forgetting you. He is remembering himself, shedding layers that no longer serve his highest good, preparing for a union that demands his truest self. This period of introspection, though challenging for your waiting heart, is essential for his growth. The angels whisper that he is confronting shadows, healing old wounds, and gathering the courage to step into the magnitude of the love you offer. It is a solitary journey, one that cannot be rushed or forced. Imagine a seed buried deep in the earth. It needs darkness and quiet to gather strength before it can break through the soil and reach for the light. He is in that sacred darkness, preparing to bloom. Your role in this divine pause is not to chase, but to hold space. To trust the process and nurture your own garden, knowing that true connection blossoms from authenticity and readiness. The angels say that what appears as a delay is, in fact, divine timing at work, orchestrating every detail for a more profound and lasting connection. This silence is not a rejection, it is a promise being forged in the crucible of his soul. It speaks of a future built on solid ground, a love that has weathered its own internal storms. There is a gentle power within you, a radiant light that emanates from your very core. You carry an energy that soothes, heals, and awakens. The angels reveal that your mere presence, your authentic spirit, has touched the deepest wounds within him, wounds he may not even consciously acknowledge. You did not set out to mend him, yet your essence became a balm, a quiet force that began to unravel the knots of his past. This is the magic of your soul, a gift you bestow simply by being. He carries burdens, unseen scars from battles fought in solitude. Perhaps he learned to guard his heart, to protect himself from perceived pain, building walls that seemed impenetrable. The angels whisper that your unwavering kindness, your genuine spirit, found the cracks in his armor, not to break him, but to allow light to enter. You offered a safe harbor, a space where vulnerability felt less like a threat and more like an invitation. This profound impact was not a conscious effort on your part, but a natural outflow of who you are. Do not underestimate the silent work your soul performs. You are a catalyst for his healing, a gentle mirror reflecting the possibility of wholeness. The angels say that even in moments of distance, your light continues to resonate within him, guiding him towards introspection and growth. You are a testament to the power of unconditional presence, a living prayer for his well-being. Trust that your healing light, though subtle, is profoundly transformative, paving the way for a deeper, more authentic connection. Sometimes, the the most profound movements occur in the quietest moments. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, orchestrates a divine pause, a sacred interlude where everything seems to stand still. This is not a halt in progress, but a recalibration, a time for energies to align, for lessons to integrate, and for souls to prepare. The angels reveal that this stillness is a gift, an opportunity for deeper understanding and a strengthening of your inner resolve. It is a moment for the earth to breathe, and for your spirit to catch up with its destiny. During this pause, the angels whisper, you are invited to turn inward, to nurture your own sacred garden. This is a time for self-discovery, for reclaiming forgotten pieces of your essence, and for deepening your connection to your own divine source. Do not view this as a waiting period, but as an active phase of creation, where you are building the foundation for the next beautiful chapter of your life. The universe is not delaying your desires, it is perfecting them, ensuring that when the time is right, the manifestation will be even grander than you imagined. Trust the rhythm of this divine orchestration. The angels say that every moment, every breath, and every perceived delay serves a higher purpose, guiding you toward a love that is truly aligned with your soul's deepest yearnings. This pause is not a sign of abandonment, but a testament to the meticulous care with which your journey is being guided. Embrace the stillness, for within it lies the promise of profound growth and the unfolding of a love story written in the stars. Within you resides an ancient, powerful wisdom, the essence of the sacred feminine. It is a wellspring of intuition, creativity, and boundless love. The angels reveal that this journey, this dance of connection and perceived separation, is ultimately an invitation to fully embody your own magnificent worth. Your value, your radiance, is not dependent on another's presence or validation. It is an inherent truth, a divine spark that burns eternally within your soul, independent of any external circumstance. Too often, the heart can mistakenly tie its joy to the actions or reactions of another. But the angels whisper a profound truth: your completeness is already within you. His return, His commitment, His understanding are beautiful additions to your life, but they do not define your inherent worth. This is a time to reclaim your sovereignty, to stand firm in the knowledge that you are whole, loved, and deserving, simply because you exist. Nurture your spirit, honor your feelings, and celebrate the magnificent woman you are becoming. Embrace the quiet strength that comes from knowing your own power. The angels say that when you fully step into your sacred feminine, when you radiate self-love and unwavering confidence, you become an irresistible force. You attract not from a place of need, but from a space of overflowing abundance. This journey is about falling deeper in love with yourself, recognizing the goddess within. Your worth is a divine decree, not a negotiation. Let this truth anchor you, guiding you towards a love that mirrors your own profound self-acceptance. You are never truly alone on this journey, beloved. Even when the fog of uncertainty descends, obscuring the way ahead, there are unseen guides walking alongside you, illuminating the subtle signs. The angels reveal that every impulse, every gentle nudge, every unexpected synchronicity is a whisper from the divine, guiding your next sacred steps. Your intuition, that quiet knowing deep within your heart, is the language through which these celestial messages are often conveyed. Learn to listen and to trust the subtle currents that pull you toward your highest good. This journey isn't meant to be navigated solely by logic or fear. It is a spiritual expedition, requiring faith in the unseen and the courage to follow the breadcrumbs of light. The angels whisper that your path is being carefully laid out, even when it feels like you're wandering. There are divine appointments, unexpected blessings, and profound lessons waiting for you around every bend. Do not cling too tightly to what you believe should be. Instead, open your heart to what is unfolding, for it is always in perfect alignment with your soul's evolution. Allow yourself to be led, to surrender to the flow of grace. The angels say that your role is to remain open, receptive, and trusting, knowing that every experience and every encounter serves to bring you closer to your ultimate destiny. You are being guided toward a love that is not only passionate but also profoundly purposeful, a connection that elevates and inspires. Trust the whispers, follow the light, for your angels are actively paving the way. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. There is a profound liberation in letting go, a sacred alchemy in surrendering to the greater flow. The human heart often yearns for control and certainty, believing that by holding tightly, it can shape destiny. But the angels reveal a deeper truth. True power lies not in grasping, but in releasing. When you let go of the need to orchestrate every outcome and predict every turn, you create space for miracles, allowing the universe to weave its magic in ways you could never imagine. This act of surrender is not a sign of weakness, it is an immense act of faith. It is trusting that the divine intelligence guiding the stars also orchestrates the intricate dance of your own life and relationships. The angels whisper that when you release the grip of expectation, you welcome grace, transforming anxiety into peace and doubt into unwavering trust. Imagine a leaf floating on a river. It does not fight the current but allows itself to be carried, knowing it will eventually reach its destination. Embrace this flow, beloved one. The angels say that by releasing control, you are not abandoning your desires, but entrusting them to a wisdom far greater than your own. This is an invitation to breathe deeply, to find peace in the unknown, and to allow the universe to deliver what is truly meant for you in its perfect timing. Surrender is the key that unlocks the door to profound joy, a love that is effortless, and a life lived in harmony with the divine. To be truly seen and truly loved requires the courage to unveil your most tender self. Vulnerability is not a weakness, it is the sacred gateway to authentic connection, a testament to the strength of your spirit. The angels reveal that in embracing your whole story, every triumph, every scar, every whispered hope, you invite a love that is profound, enduring, and deeply healing. This is the ultimate act of self-acceptance, a declaration that you are worthy exactly as you are. The journey has led you here, to this moment of profound self-recognition. You have navigated through shadows, celebrated the light, and grown into a woman of immense wisdom and grace. The angels whisper that true acceptance begins within, a gentle embrace of all that makes you unique, everything that has shaped your beautiful soul. When you fully accept yourself, flaws and all, you create an energetic field that attracts a love reflecting that same acceptance. You become a beacon for genuine connection. This is your divine story, unfolding with purpose and beauty. The angels say that every experience, every lesson, has prepared you for this moment of profound peace and unwavering self-love. You are ready to receive, ready to give, ready to embody the love you have always yearned for. Step into this truth with an open heart, for the universe is celebrating your journey, honoring your resilience, and showering you with blessings. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. Numbers 6:24-26.